Hello, this is for Ozan. I wanted to show you. Ozan threw down the challenge, and I'd never done a NeXTstep 2.2 install. And so the way you have to do it, because it was never released to the public, is one, I had someone that was a former NeXT developer that had a copy, and you have to install 2.1 first, and then they have a little extensions application which you install. And so I installed all that on previous, and then I DD'd it over to an SD card, and the SD card had 4 drives formatted. Now you have to realize at the time of 2.2's release, they did not even have 2 gig drives, so I wasn't even sure if this was going to work. But amazingly, NeXTstep just works. And not only that, is it went in and formatted my other 3 partitions on the SD card. Now, the software is really limited because it's kind of painted into a corner there. As I say, this was never meant to be released. So you have to have version 2.1 software. I tried a couple compilation CDs, and I'm getting, very little luck. So I did put some folders in there with apps if you want to try. And the apps that I was successful with, I kind of put along the edge here in your dock, and a few on the shelf. But that being said, enjoy. It was quite the challenge, but I got it up and working. Another first for me. Have a good day. Oh, and this was the first version that actually worked with the dimension board and turbo colors. Adios.